How to use Parental control in Paramount Plus. You can set up and manage Paramount Plus Parental control via your account page on a web browser. So what you want to do is open up your browser, type in paramountplus.com or click on the first link that comes. After which, sign into your account and scroll down to the parental control section and toggle the switch on. So what you want to do is actually you want to go to the account section there, and you just want to scroll down to parental control section and toggle the switch to on button. As you do that, you want to then enter your Paramount Plus account password when prompted and click the submit button. Then you just want to create a memorable 4-digit PIN. This PIN will be required to watch any content with a restricted ratings. And below the PIN field, you want to select the highest content rating you want to be accessible without a PIN. And once you've done that, you could just save the settings and click on save to apply the changes. The restriction will apply across all devices associated with your account, and that's how you should be able to use parental control in Paramount Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.